Hey y'all, here's our next project. We're going to Pensacola and Perdido Key. We got a retainer wall that's failing down here, so we'll be taking that retainer wall out. This is our access area right here. And I replaced it with a new naval style wall, vinyl sheet pile wall. 8-inch pilings, 20-foot long, 16-foot sheets. This whole white fence, we're gonna be demoing this white fence here. Give you a shot of what we got over here. This is everything that's going to be coming out. Can't really see it, but the wall's failing. You see in that corner right over there, it's kind of falling apart. Don't really have a whole lot of area for stacking dirt, so this is going to be fun. We'll have to do a portion of it at a time. Probably dig this area out down here, stack the dirt down here a little bit, get this section of the wall built, and then put the wall up and bring the sand back in. Be a lot of fun moving sand around over here. But we can do it and make it happen. Get a shot of the wall. You can see the corner here's failed. We're actually elevated quite a bit more here too. A little bit more elevation, get more of a flatter yard. Let me see what we're dealing with here. This is the wall. Pretty steep area to drop down on. I deal with all these rocks and all here, which should be a lot of fun. Palm tree's gonna stay here. Side over here, we're going to be demoing all this. Probably bring the barge over here. I don't think we can do anything with the barge. Everything here is going to be done by shore. Here is what is coming out. The wood wall down there. Be a lot of fun getting it out. Let's see what I got to deal with. Big old drop off right here in Canal. And the wall goes further down over here, so there's going to be a lot of wood boards that come out for sure. Well, got a good start to the job already. Got a good bit of it dug out. Get over here and take a look at it. Got a good pile of sand right here. And dug down probably about 6 to 7 foot behind the wall right there, as you can see. We got some drain pipes that come off the downspouts of the house. Busted that one up, but we'll just put that back through. We'll go ahead and continue down the rest of the way over here after we get some of this dirt moved. Dig all that out. We're gonna take up this big pile of dirt behind me. We're gonna put that in the front yard with a skid steer and start working on this project, putting the wall in. Well, we made some pretty good progress. I got the vinyl sheet piling on site. Tool trailer sitting over there, just got it carried over here. Been carrying some dirt from the back, got it piled up in front because we're a limited space. We got our pilings. Looks like we got some 8-inch 20s, rough cut 2x8s. And got the trail all the way to the backyard and pulling dirt out. Well, we got it dug out. We got the wall completely removed, loaded on the trailers now. The barge is over here, don't really need it, but we'll use a pump off of it and get some good advertising from it. Also sitting right here in the Intercoastal Waterway. Got all the tie back poles installed behind the wall. All 10-footers, 5/8 rods on the side over here. We're using 3/4 rods on the front naval style wall. Tying this back on type 316. Working on the 30-foot return wall on the other side over there now. Just about got that. Got a lot of fill coming in. Of course, you see we elevated the wall quite a bit. There's some big old tie back poles in. I think we're using 10 to 12 footers here. They're all 10-inch pilings. Triple big drag plates on it. All 2x8 whalers. Went ahead and sealed up the back side of rods. Sometimes the rods have a tendency to open up the vinyl a little bit when you tighten them up. So we put the peeling stick back there just to keep any dirt from leaking through the tie-back rod areas. A lot of work on this project and get close to getting complete, hopefully by the end of the week. Got the top cap being cut now. I'll be headed here shortly. We'll start installing the top cap. Hey guys, not too shabby here. Just under 2 weeks, we got this big project knocked out. This is a big, tall wall. What we did is we leveled up the customer's backyard here. It was a pretty steep incline, as you saw from the beginning of the video, and gave her a nice little flat area. We also went ahead and did a return wall here to protect her sand because the neighbor's yard drops off on that side. We went ahead and extended the walkway over to the fence line so there's not a void in between there. There was a pretty good sized gap that we went ahead and closed up.
Touching, but it's not like touching it too much.
Did you bring that chain?
Check it with it.
You got the chain on the back of the car?
We got us a dredge job right across the way. We're fixing to move to over there. We got a little Kubota running back and forth, making room for the dredge spoil. Johnny's getting the barge ready, checking the fluid levels of the fuel, get that moved over there and get that taken care of. Hey guys, we got this project finished up over here now. I wanted to show you the front yard, how good of a job that we do once we get the job completed. We try to leave it in better shape than when we first got here. Got some white sand spread out, got everything leveled out. We actually hand raked everything out here as well. From the first video, there was old white fence here. We removed that white fence, cleaned this area here up, brought the sand elevation up here. A lot of it had blown out. Took the old metal cap off the wall here, was kind of messed up. We actually hit it a couple times with a tractor, so it didn't help it. So we went ahead and put a new top cap on the little retainer wall here for them. And you can see we've definitely changed the grade of this property. Before it was really hard to even use or walk on it with such a steep angle and mow it. Brought the return walls back 30 feet. Help with the elevation of the yard. Keep sand from falling over into the neighbors. See how good this thing looks. Turned out really good. Nice tall wall. We dumped a whole bunch more white sand over the front of the wall as well. Make that look good. This is what we call a naval style wall. 8-inch pilings on the front, 20-foot long, tied back, 12-foot, two-whaler system. You see on the opposite opposing side over here, we also did a return wall over here as well. Going back to a little step at the end. Make it easier to get off that retainer wall up in the yard. No damage to the neighbors. Gave the neighbors a little extra dirt. They needed some dirt to kind of level their property up now, so we threw some dirt over there for them. They're nice enough to let us use their driveway for our tool trailer. We try to help them out too. You guys, really appreciate y'all checking out my video and the comments and questions you have. If you would, give me a like, subscribe, share, and you can see right across the way over there. We're working over there right now, doing a little dredge job for the customer, and put a couple, probably about 150-foot retainer walls on either side of the property. He likes having a nice clean white beach area, and the other sides are natural. So we're trying to keep the grass from migrating over to his property. But check it out. Thank you guys.